How can we delete our account on Discord? To delete your account on Discord, as you can see right here, I just clicked on the delete account button, but unfortunately, it did not actually let me delete it. It says that you must first transfer any servers that you currently own to someone else or to another account, and only after that, you will be able to delete your account. The first thing you do is go into your account. Once you're in your account, there's a delete account option, and if you don't own any servers, you can go ahead and delete it. But if you do have a server, meaning you actually own or manage one, then you definitely, without any doubt, need to go into your server and check it out. Now, you must definitely delete your server. To do this, you simply need to go into your server settings, and then you can go ahead and delete your server. Once you have deleted your server, you can very easily go from the settings menu to the account option and then delete your account. Of course, your account will be completely deleted, not just the server. First the server, then your account will be deleted forever.